Hello everyone. This is Admin Bella. So let's hope you like it. May gagawin na video. I hope you like it, guys. And then this is my entry no sa sinabi ni Honor sa task niya. So pasensya ng entry. So this is my entry. At sana magustuhan niyo naman. So my IT number is 220-626, and then I currently live here in Leyte. So Sintagaliti dyan, let's meet if you have time. And then about drinks, I used to drink hot water early in the morning than drinking coffee. So I'm not fan into coffee. I used to drink hot water or yung may luya sa labat. Yun. About food, I eat any kind of food. Hindi ako maarte sa pagdating sa food. I love food. That's why I'm going bigger and bigger now. And then, ano pa? Hobbies. My hobbies is singing and dancing. I love playing music. I love singing when I am at home. I am alone at home. I love playing music that's so much loud that yung ako lang mag-isa sa bahay. So, about movies, I watch movies for K-drama, and then Chinese drama. I don't like Pinoy drama or movie because I find it very annoying and I don't like it. And then I used to watch short drama in Chinese drama. That's why I stay in YouTube always. That's why hindi nyo ako makikita lagi sa PR because I stay in YouTube. Nanonood ako ng drama, ng Chinese short drama. And then, yun lang yung masasabi ko about myself. And then, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it every time you saw it on Facebook or in YouTube. I hope